Dear eCredits community, this is my first video update this year, and I'm happy to inform you that there are some essential and very interesting updates for you since the last update video in December. As promised in my previous video, we have recently launched the eVault and the new subscription plans. This was a very important milestone for us, and everyone in the team pushed above and beyond all expectations to make this happen. We were also absolutely thrilled by the feedback and demand that you showed for eVault and subscriptions right at the very start. We truly appreciate your participation, interest, and support. And we could see that we were right when we envisioned this feature and its impact for the eCredits ecosystem. Now to more details. If you haven't started eVaulting yet or haven't learned about the eVault and our new subscription plans, here's how they work and why we launched them. You have probably already noticed how inflation is eating away your money nowadays. And even though interest has gone up, traditional savings accounts no longer pay any interesting interest, leaving almost no options to grow your assets. So we thought that it would be great to get some rewards with certainty these days. And for this reason, we created the eVault. eVault allows you to transfer your eCredits for a period of 1 year and receive a return of 2, 3, or even 6% of transferred assets, depending on your subscription. This way, eCredits consumers can be rewarded in a fair way for being part of the eCredits ecosystem and helping us build a new economy for the people and by the people altogether. It's very important that eVault is secure, convenient, and rewarding. eVaulted funds are hosted on the eCredits secure public blockchain and placed in smart contracts, meaning that your eVaulted funds cannot be accessed by anyone, including the people's SCE. That's right, we do not generate any revenue from your funds. We do not leverage them, we do not risk them. These smart contracts are also audited by 2 independent entities to keep your funds safe. Your eVaulted funds will be locked for exactly 1 year and cannot be touched until the locking period ends. However, you can claim your eVault rewards at any time, even twice a day. Just make sure that you are aware that the fees have to be paid when withdrawing. Prior to eVault start, we also launched new subscription plans for eCredits consumers. The new subscriptions provide more versatile and diverse advantages, depending on users' needs. Free, Gold, and Platinum subscriptions offer users the standard eCredits features, including crypto transaction functionality with eCredits and Ethereum, e-activity rewards, as well as the option to earn rewards of 2% to 6% via the eVault. With a free subscription, you can use all standard features of the eCredits app and receive a 2% reward on your eVaulted assets. If you want higher returns for your eVault, head start for eVaulting and other benefits, you should consider our Gold or Platinum subscription. Our new subscriptions are a great option to customize your eCredits experience. Please note that Gold and Platinum memberships are open to eCredits ambassadors and consumers only, not to merchants. You can learn more about both the subscriptions and the eVault cycles by visiting eCredits.com. Also, keep in mind our amazing new invitation system. If you invite a user that then becomes a Platinum member, you receive 200 euros worth of eCredits and 1.5% of whatever they eVault in eCredits and another 1.5% in e-activity at the end of the month. I honestly believe you will not find any better reward programs out there. And now that we have talked about what is out there, let me end this video with 1 or 2 announcements. Another question I have frequently been asked is, we are members now, what can we do with it and when can we do something with that? Well, now we released delegate voting. What is a delegate? As you know, we have designed the people's SCE to be under your control. That means that you will have a say in many things, even down to the general assemblies. A lot of things will be discussed there, and as you can imagine, it would be a very long assembly and very expensive assembly as well, if everybody was required to be there in person. For these reasons, there will be delegates. Delegates are people that represent you when it comes to company-related matters. We will consult with them whenever involving every member is simply not possible from a logistics side. That means that, for example, in votings, every single one of you will be able to vote. But when it comes, for example, to signing documents in person in our headquarters in Luxembourg, the delegates will represent you. There can be a maximum of 10 delegates, and we will consult with them many times throughout their 1-year election period. We will give them a lot of information that they will then be able to pass on to you. We will involve them in strategic discussions, and we will treat their voices as the voices of our entire community. So, when it comes to voting, let me give you some advice. Vote for a delegate that is very active in the community already. Vote for people that understand how eCredits works. Vote for people that you can trust. And vote for people that know how business works. You want to vote for a delegate that you can trust to represent your opinion and help us lead eCredits in the right direction. Delegate voting will only be available for SCE members and Platinum subscribers that have used their free membership voucher. Once again, we are thrilled by all your support and demand for our products and new features. We have more updates coming this year. Soon, you will also see the roadmap that we are going to release, where you will be able to follow the next planned features in real time. For now, please stay tuned on our channels. This is just the beginning. Keep using and expanding eCredits ecosystem. Try our new features and let us know what you think of them. We always appreciate your feedback and support. Thank you.